welcome to anyone who joins this. In this video, I will show a little demo of an Excel spreadsheet that I've been working on to kind of showcase some of my skills with Excel. Obviously, it won't show everything, but it will show a good bit. So this spreadsheet is for a tournament I'm doing. So I have this first sheet with the basic rankings. It's empty right now because the tournament's still going on. And these I put in manually. So as I scroll down, I have the ones who have been eliminated to this point in the tournament, for the women and the men all the way down here. And then I have the matches sheet, next best one to show, where I keep track of the matches to have for this tournament. And I do all this manually as well. I highlight them to know who advanced and who won. So I have all this over here. And then I have the different rankings, the standings. So we have the men, we have their name, the win, loss, matches, and the overall. And the true wins, I am making the tiebreaker for this. And so I have it to where I have the conditional formatting to where it would show. Actually, no, I'm going to show the rules. That'll be easier to. So for each of the columns, I have a top one. Have a rule for the top 1, top 10, bottom 1, and bottom 10 for each of the columns, and for it to highlight accordingly. Now, like, obviously, there's none. There's no difference between the top 1 and top 10 losses yet, because there's more than 10 with the most. There's more than 10 with the fewest losses. So, but once say there are like 7 with 0 losses, then it will show from there. And then I have the same for the women's side. So I have all this figured out. And then I have the groups tab, in which this auto fills based on the men's rankings. So like say I do this, do that by true wins, then the groups change accordingly, and the bracket tab also changes as well to kind of show the matchups. And so that is the basic demonstration of this spreadsheet. This isn't everything I can do, but this is a little bit of what I can do that I can show in this spreadsheet. So anyone who has watched, I want to thank. And if you made it this far, feel free to subscribe and leave a like. Thank you.